Hello students, I welcome you all to the new session of English Literature. I hope you all are well and taking good care of your health. So students, today we are going to start with our chapter 12 and the name of the chapter is The Cracked Pot. So student, this is a very wonderful story about a water bearer and his two pots. In this story you will learn how to use your flaws to your advantage, how you can use the things in which you are lacking, how to use them for your advantage. That is the moral and that is the thing which you will learn in this story. Now let's see. So students, a water bearer. So first thing which we should discuss, that what is a bearer. Bearer means a person who used to carry one thing from one place to another. So in this story we are talking about a water bearer. He used to carry a water from the stream to the different place, to the house where it is required. So a water bearer in a village had two large pots and he was having two large pots with him. One hung on each end of a pole which he carried across his neck. So here you can see he is carrying one pole and there are two pots hanging on each side of the pole. So now what happened next? One of the pots had a crack in it while the other pot was perfect. So among those two pots, one was very perfect, it was not having any fault or any problem in it, but the another one was having a crack in it. Okay, so the pot which was not having any problem in it, it always delivered a full portion of water at the end of the full long walk from the stream to the mistress' house. The cracked pot arrived only half full. So because of that fault, the cracked pot used to deliver the half of the quantity, half of the water to the mistress' house. Now what is the mistress? Means a female who has control over or responsibilities for something or someone, means the owner of something. So that man, that water bearer, used to carry the water from the stream and he used to deliver it to the mistress. So the pot which was not having any problem in it, it used to deliver the whole portion of water, but the pot which was having a crack, it used to deliver only half of the portion. Now the perfect pot was proud of itself as it was not having any fault in it, so it used to feel very much proud of itself. But the poor cracked pot was ashamed of its own imperfection. Imperfection means a state of being faulty, means that pot which was having crack in it, it used to feel very much faulty, very much guilty about it. For 2 years this went on. Then one day, so for last 2 years the same condition was going on. The cracked pot was feeling sad day by day because of its fault. So one day the water bearer asked that pot, "Why do you look so sad?" Then the cracked pot replied, "I am ashamed of myself. I want to apologize to you." And in a very sad tone, that cracked pot said that I am very ashamed of myself. I am feeling very shame of myself and I want to apologize, means to say sorry about myself. I want to say sorry to you. Now, for these past 2 years, I have been able to deliver only half my load because this crack causes water to leak out all the way to your mistress' house because of my flaw. You don't get full value of your effort. So then he further said, the cracked pot further said, for these past 2 years, I have been able to deliver only half of my load. Means half of the water he was only able to deliver because the rest of the water used to leak from that hole, from that crack. And you, means the water bearer, you are not getting the full amount of your efforts. Whatever efforts you are doing to bring that water from the stream to that mistress place, you are not getting the full amount of your full value of your efforts. Efforts means use of physical or mental energy or hard work. Means whatever hard work that water bearer was doing, he was not getting the full value of that. So the thing is that the cracked pot was feeling very much sad about it, very much bad about the water bearer. Now the water bearer felt sorry for the cracked pot, and after listening all this and all the things which the cracked pot told him, that water bearer felt very much sorry for the cracked pot. As we return to the mistress' house, I want you to notice the beautiful flowers along the path. And then he said, the water bearer replied to that cracked pot, that today when we return to the mistress' house, I want you to notice the beautiful flowers along the path. I want you to see all the flowers which are there along the path. I want you to see that, he asked the cracked pot. Now, indeed, as they went up the hill, the cracked pot took notice of the sun warming the beautiful wild flowers on the side of the path. The beautiful sight cheered the cracked pot. After seeing this, when they were just going up to the hillside, so the cracked pot took notice to the sun warming the beautiful wildflowers. There were a lot of wildflowers grown on the side of that cracked pot, and he noticed every one of them, and he felt very much excited on that sight. Sight means a thing that one see or that can be seen. Okay, so after seeing those flowers, that little pot felt very much happy, very much excited. So the bearer looked at the pot lovingly. Then after that, the bearer just took that pot and he looked to that pot very lovingly. With lot of love, he looked to that pot and he said, did you notice that there were flowers only on your side of the path and not on the other pot's side? That he asked that, did you notice? Have you seen that? Have you realized that these flowers are only at your side, at your path? Okay, it is not on the another side of the path. That's because I have always known about your flaw and I took advantage of it. I planted flower seeds on your side of the path every day. When we walked back from the stream, you watered them. And then he replied to the pot that this is because these flowers you can see here, because that I have taken the advantage of your flaw, the flaw which you are having, that you have the crack in your body. So I have taken the advantage of that flaw and I have planted the flower seeds on your side. And for last 2 years, when we are going from this place, you are just watering those seeds unknowingly. Without knowing that, you are just watering those seeds every day. So for 2 years, I have been able to pick these beautiful flowers to decorate my mistress' table. Without you being just the way you are, she would not have had this beauty to grace her house. And then he further said, the water bearer further said that for last 2 years, because of you only, because you have watered these plants, so I was able to decorate my mistress' house with these beautiful flowers. I used to pluck these flowers, carry them, and used to decorate the table of mistress. And without you, she would not be able to had this beauty to grace her house. She was not able to decorate his house without your help. Because of you, she is able to decorate her house. So the cracked pot looked at the bearer and smiled. I had learned a lesson. Every one of us have flaws, but we must learn to use them to our advantage. And then the cracked pot, after listening this story, after listening all these things, he said he felt very excited. He laughed and smiled and he said that I had learned a lesson, that every one of us have flaws, that we all have the faults, we all have the flaws, but we must know, we must learn how to use them for our betterment. We should know how we can change our flaws into our advantage. So the moral which we learn from this story, that we must learn to use our flaws to our advantage. This is the moral which we have learned from this story. And students, I hope you all have liked this story and you will try to transform your flaws into your advantage. Okay, your weaknesses to your strength. So I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.